ABC, and OD is perpendicular to BC, OE is perpendicular to AC, and OF is perpendicular to AB. And we have to show that OA square plus OB square plus OZ square minus OD square minus OE square minus OF square is equal to AF square plus BD square plus CE square. And in second part we have to prove that AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to AE square plus CD square plus BF square. So we have to make a construction for this question. Join O to A, O to B and O to C. Now in figure you see that there are 6 right angle triangles and you have to take alternate right angle triangles in this question. Listen to this point carefully, and I have marked these triangles as. First we will take this one, then leave this, come to third triangle, leave fourth one, come to fifth triangle. Now triangle AOF is a right angle triangle and we can apply Pythagoras theorem here. So we can write OA square is equal to AF square plus OF square. Similarly, in triangle BOD, OB square is equal to BD square plus OD square. And in triangle COE, OC square is equal to CE square plus OE square. And I have separated these values. AF square को हमने separate कर लिया and we can write AF square is equal to OA square minus OF square. Similarly from equation 2 and 3. Now we are having equation 1, 2 and 3. When we add these 3 equations, on adding 1, 2 and 3, we have to add left side to left side and right side to right side. AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to OA square plus OB square plus OZ square minus OF square minus OD square minus OE square. So this is the first result which we have proved. And for the next result we have to prove that this one is first result and second result में इसी को हमें क्या करना है, AF square plus BD square plus CE square को AE square करना है. Now go to triangle AOE. Here AE square is equal to OA square minus OE square. So it means when I take OA square and minus OE square, it will become AE square. Similarly, when I take OB square and OF square, it will become BF square. And when I take OC square and OD square, it will become CD square. Hence proved. Now in your exercise question number 9, 10, 11 and 12, all these 4 questions are based on Pythagoras theorem and you can do these questions very easily. In question number 9, a ladder 10 meter long reaches a window 8 meter above the ground. Here AC is the length of ladder and AB is the height of window. And we have to find the distance of the foot of ladder from the base of the wall. So this is the base of wall and this is foot of ladder. It means we have to find BC from triangle ABC. By applying Pythagoras theorem, you can find its value very easily. In question number 10, a gay wire attached to a vertical pole of height 18 meter is 24 meter long. Meaning एक pole के साथ, here AB is the height of pole and AC is the length of wire. एक wire को attach किया है. That is 24 meter long. And we have to find the distance of the foot of ladder from the base of wall. It means again we have to find BC. Similar question as question number 9, we can find the value of BC. In question number 11, an aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north at a speed of 1000 किलोमीटर पर आवर. मीनिंग जो प्लेन है उसकी स्पीड 1000 किलोमीटर पर आवर है. एट द सेम टाइम अनदर प्लेन लीव्स द सेम एयरपोर्ट. एक और एरोप्लेन जो है दैट इज लिविंग द सेम एयरपोर्ट सेम टाइम पर, बट दैट प्लेन इज फ्लाइंग ड्यू वेस्ट. एक गया नॉर्थ की साइड पर, दूसरा गया वेस्ट की साइड पर. एंड हाउ अपार्ट will be the two planes and speed of second is 1200 किलोमीटर पर आवर. so their speeds are different. फर्स्ट प्लेन जो है इट्स स्पीड है 1000 किलोमीटर पर आवर एंड स्पीड ऑफ सेकेंड प्लेन इज 1200 किलोमीटर पर आवर. एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द टू प्लेन्स आफ्टर 1.5 hour. So first of all we have to find how much distance is covered by them in 1.5 hour. So distance covered due north by first plane is 1000 into 3/2, that is 1500 kilometer. And distance due north by second plane, that is 1200 into 3/2, 1800 kilometer. Now in figure you are having these two perpendicular distances and you can find the value of AB by using Pythagoras theorem. Question number 12. Two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meter. So in figure AB and CD are the heights of two poles as 6 meter and 11 meter. If the distance between the feet of the poles, दोनों जो poles हैं both poles के feet का distance जो है that is 12 meter आपको given है. Find the distance between their top. We have to find the value of AC. So we can draw this figure, and because AB and CD both are parallel lines because both are heights, and A is also a parallel to BD. तो it means AE जो है that is equal to BD 12 meter and AB will be equal to DE that is 6 meter and CD is 11 meter. Therefore CE will be 11 minus 6 is equal to 5 meter. Now in triangle ACE you are having the values of AE and CE. Again we can apply Pythagoras theorem to find AC. And here in triangle AEC it will be AC square is equal to AE square plus CE square, and when you put the values after solving that you will get that AC is 13 meter. Hence the distance between the tops of poles is 13 meter. Question number 13. D and E are the points on sides CA and CB respectively of a triangle ABC. Right angle at C. It means angle C is of 90 degree. Prove that AE square plus BD square. AE square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus DE square. Here in triangle ABC, angle C is of 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, we can write AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. And in triangle DCE, DEC or DCE, again this is a right angle triangle, so therefore DE square is equal to DC square plus CE square. Now adding these two we will get AB square plus DE square is equal to AC square plus BC square plus DC square plus CE square. Now AB square plus DE square is equal to, अब रिजल्ट में जो है AC एलिमिनेटेड है एंड इनमें से कोई भी वैल्यू सेम नहीं है एज इट इज़. सो यू कैन सी AC स्क्वेयर प्लस CE स्क्वेयर. AC स्क्वेयर प्लस CE स्क्वेयर को हम लिख सकते हैं AE स्क्वेयर बाय in a right angle triangle ACE, and BC square plus CD square को BC square plus CD square को from triangle BCD we can write it as BD square. Hence proved. Next, question number 14. The perpendicular from A on side BC of triangle ABC intersects BC at D such that BD is 3 times of CD. Prove that 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. So, in triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to BC. It is given. So, therefore, angle D is of 90 degree. और आपको गिवन है CD 3 times of CD is equal to BD. Or we can say CD by BD is equal to 3 by 1. 1 by 3, sorry. And from figure you can see this, if this part is 1 and this is 3. So it means CD ratio BC, that is 1:4. So it means we can say CD is 1/4 of BC. So we will save this result. Next, in triangle ADB, by Pythagoras theorem, we can write AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Now from the figure, we can write BD as BC minus CD and whole square. Now using the identity A minus B whole square, we will open the whole square. BC square plus CD square minus 2 into BC into CD. And from figure, we observe that AD square plus BC square, sorry, AD square plus CD square. AD square plus CD square, AD square plus CD square gives you AC square. And this BC square as it is minus 2 into BC into CD. Now AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square minus 2 BC. Here putting CD is equal to BC by 4. Cancel and we get AB square is equal to AC square. When you solve BC square minus BC square by 2, we will get BC square by 2. And now taking 2 as LCM, we will get AB square is equal to double of AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. Hence proved. Next, question number 15. In an equilateral triangle ABC, here ABC is equilateral triangle, meaning equilateral triangle is that in which all sides are of equal length, and D is a point on BC such that, let us draw the figure of an equilateral triangle. Here triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle and we have to mark a point D on BC such that BD is 1/3 of BC. मीनिंग जो BD है वो टोटल लेंथ BC का 1/3 होना चाहिए. फॉर दिस you have to divide your BC into 3 equal parts and this is BD and it is joined. And we have to prove that 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. For this question what we have to do, here given in triangle ABC, AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. This is given to us and we can say let it be equal to A units. To prove 9AD square is equal to 7AB square. For this question we have to make some construction, because to apply Pythagoras theorem we must have an angle of 90 degree. Construction: draw AP perpendicular to BC. This is point D and this is point P. Proof: AP is perpendicular to BC. This gives angle P is equal to 90 degree. Therefore BP जो है that is equal to 1/2 of BC, because by the property of equilateral triangle we can write here, in equilateral triangle altitude bisects the base. तो by that property BP जो है that is half of BC, or we can say BP is equal to A/2, because we have assumed BC as A, and also BD जो है that is BC/3 है, and we can write it as A/3. So we can find the value of DP here. Therefore DP is equal to BP minus BD, and we get BP is A/2 and BD is A/3. On taking the LCM we get that DP is A/6. We have to save these three lengths because these will be used in the next part of the question. Now, in triangle ADP, this gives you AD square is equal to AP square plus DP square, and so AD square is equal to, and AP square को हम लिख सकते हैं from triangle ABP AB square minus BP square, and this as it is DP square. We have replaced AP square as AB square minus BP square. So AD square is equal to, in place of AB we can write A square minus BP square. BP को हम लिख सकते हैं, here the value of BP is A/2, so A/2 whole square, and DP square के place पर we can write A/6 whole square. So AD square is equal to A square minus A square by 4 plus A square by 36. Now we have to take the LCM for the next result. By taking the LCM as 36, we get 36A square minus 9A square plus A square. Now solving it, we will get AD square is equal to 28A square by 36. On cross multiplication, after cross multiplication we get 36 AD square is equal to 28A square. Now we can divide both sides by 4. We get 9 AD square is equal to 7A square, and we have assumed that A is equal to AB. So we can write 9 AD square is equal to 7AB square. Hence proved. Next, question number 16. In an equilateral triangle, prove that 3 times the square of one side is equal to 4 times the square of one of its altitude. Again in this question, the triangle is an equilateral triangle, so we have to draw the figure of an equilateral triangle. So this is triangle ABC, and what is given here? In triangle ABC, AB is equal to BC is equal to AC, and AD perpendicular to BC. This is given to us. To prove, what we have to prove? We have to prove 4AD square, 4 times of altitude, square of altitude is equal to the 3 times of square of its side. So there is a right angle triangle. So in triangle ABD we can write AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square, or we can write AD square is equal to AB square minus BD square. Now we can replace, we know BD is half of BC, so we can write BC by 2 in place of BD, but square is also there. So AD square is equal to AB square minus BC square by 4. By taking the LCM, we get 4AD square is equal to 4AB square minus BC square. But in an equilateral triangle, AB, BC and AC are equal. So we can again replace BC by AB. मीन्स इस BC को के प्लेस पर हम AB स्क्वायर लिख सकते हैं. एंड ऑन सॉल्विंग वी गेट 4AD स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 3AB स्क्वायर. हैंस प्रूव्ड. Last question. Tick the correct answer and justify in triangle ABC. AB is 6 root 3, AC is 12 centimeter, BC is 6 centimeter. The angle B is, आपको find करना है what is the measure of angle B. Here you can apply the converse of Pythagoras theorem. Meaning जो sides given है we have to find the squares of these sides. Here AB square is equal to 6 square is 36, 36 and square of root 3 is 3 and you will get 108. And BC square is equal to 36. AC square is equal to 144. We observe that AB square plus BC square gives us 108 plus 36 is equal to 144. And this is equal to AC square. Therefore, triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. And which angle is of 90 degree? Because AC is the longest length. So angle opposite to AC is angle B. Therefore angle B is of 90 degree. Hence correct option for the answer is C option is correct answer. Thank you.